Good morning, dear children. I, Pooja Rajvanshi, welcome you all for the mathematics home mentoring session of the SD Vidya School, Ambala Cant. Today, children, we are going to do the recapitulation exercise of Chapter 2, Addition. So, I request all of you to please open up your books on page number 20. Right? This exercise has to be done in the books and the notebooks both. But to start up, the question number 1 has to be done in the books itself. In this question, children, we have to simply add the headings of ones, tens, 100 and 1000 is given to you because you people have studied counting up to 1000 only in grade 6. And because this is a recap exercise, so you can easily add. As you all know already that we start adding from the ones place. So 6 and 6 gives me 12. Carry over 1 is there. We add the tens place now along with the carryover. I will get 7. I add the hundreds place, I get 6, and I add the 1000 place, I get 9672. Children, similarly do the B and the C part on your own. After this, children, let us move on to the next question. For this question, open your notebooks, write the heading Recap Exercise, Chapter 2, Addition, and put today's date. Write question number 2 in the dash form. Find the sum using the expanded form. All of you have already now done the expanded form in chapter number 1. Right? So my first question is 4563 plus 5321. Children, there is an error in the comma in the question given in the book. So please be careful with it. In the expanded form, children, what do we do is, when we arrange it in the vertical column 4563, 5321, we write the expanded form. 4000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3. 5000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1. And we add 4. This is 80. This is 800. And this is 9000. So what number will I get, children? I will get 9884. So this is find the sum using the expanded form. Find the sum using the expanded form. Right, children? I would request to all of you to do the B part on your own. That is your self-attempt question. Easy enough. No worries in this. Right? Alright, now question number 3 is simple. Add the following. We will do it in the notebooks only. Add the following. Part A, first write the statement 3549 plus 2843 plus 1564. Now you have to arrange in the vertical column. It's your wish whether you want to write the heading like this or not. It is not compulsory. I don't have marks in class 4 for this. 2843 plus 1564. Do not forget to put the addition sign. Start adding from the ones place. 9 and 3 gives you 12. Add 4, you get 16. You get 16. 1 goes in the carry. Add at the tens place. 6 and 4 makes 10. 10 and 4 makes 14. Add 1. You get 15. Again 1 carry. Add the hundreds place with the carryover. 5 and 5 is 10. 10 may you add 8, 18. Add 1, 19. Again 1 is in the carry. So 3 and 1, 4. 4 and 2, 6. 6 and 1, 7. So your answer is 7956. Dear students, please do the B part as your self-attempt question in the notebooks. Let us move on to the next question. Now these two questions are to be done in the books. Fill in the blanks. They are to be done in the books. Fill in the blanks. Question number 4. Fill-ups. A part. Children, in the flipped learning questions, you people have already studied that when we add 1, we get the successor of the numbers. So in the A part, when you add 1, at the ones place you are going to add 1. 5, 6, 3, 2 plus 1 is what you are going to get. You are going to add 1 at the ones place. B part, 7, 4, 8, 9 plus 10. Dear children, here you have to add this 1 at tens place. So without any hassles, you can just write as 7499. C part, 9652, and you have to add 100 to it. So dear children, here the 100 has to be added at the hundreds place. 1 has to be added at the hundreds place. So it will become 9752. D part, 2586 plus 1000. 1000, this 1 has to be added at which place? Thousands place. So your answer will be 3586. Clear? Let's come up to the last question of the recap exercise. You have to write the missing addends. Addends are the numbers which are added. Addends are the numbers which are added. So your first part is 800. What is to be added in 800 so that I get the answer as 1500? Dear children, I will give you a method to do this. From your answer, if you subtract one of the addends, you get another addend. So your answer in the fill in the blank will be 700. From the sum, this is the sum. When you subtract the first addend, you get the second addend. In the subtraction, you remember in the earlier classes, we used to check our answer. Right. So the B part now. 2500 plus dash gives you 6000. Yes, I hope you can do it on your own now. The answer in this question will be, you reduce 2000 from 6000, 4000, and reduce another 500, you get 3500. 300 plus dash plus 300 gives you 1800. Add both of them, it is 600. Subtract 600 from 1800, you will get 1200 as your answer. Now there are 3 addends over here. I want to know the missing addend. So I added the 2 addends. The answer I subtracted from the sum to get my final answer, my missing addend. 3500 plus dash plus 1000 gives me 9000. So you add 3500 and 1000, you get 4500. And you subtract 9000. From 9000 you subtract 4500, you will get 4500. So your answer will be 4500. I hope this sum is very, very clear to you. And this completes our recap exercise. To start up with exercise 2.1, look up to the next video. Thank you.